Let's look at taxpayer deregistration. Yeah, what leads to deregistration of a taxpayer? A taxpayer who is no longer required to be registered for purposes of income tax purposes should apply to the commissioner to be deregistered. If one is not deregistered, he or she remains with an obligation to comply with some of the income tax procedures like filing returns even when there is no taxable activity carried out. So if you are no longer a taxpayer according to the Income Tax Act, you're supposed to apply for deregistration. And if you do not, you are still required to give information about your income, even when you're not required to pay the tax. Yeah. At the time of deregistration, the commissioner issues a notice in writing deregistering the person. First of all, if the person has applied for deregistration and the commissioner is satisfied that the person is no longer required to be registered, they can issue with a notice in writing. Then where the person has not applied for deregistration, but the commissioner is satisfied that the person is eligible for deregistration. So there are two circumstances whereby you get a written notice from the commissioner, whereby you applied and the commissioner is satisfied. Then in a situation whereby you did not apply and then the commissioner is satisfied that you are no longer required to pay income tax. Deregistration takes effect from the date specified in the notice of deregistration, and the person deregistering is expected to comply with any requirements relating to deregistration as specified under the given tax laws. So in case the commissioner says in the letter that he sent that you'll be deregistered on 14th, by 14th you are no longer a taxpayer according to income tax. So it takes effect from the date specified in the notice of deregistration. And the person that the deregistering is expected to comply with any requirements relating to deregistration. And that is all about deregistration for income tax purposes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends. Let's catch up in my next video.